today I'm going to be showing you this soft glam makeup tutorial. I thought that I would take the soft glam trend and I wanted to do one of the looks. So I decided to do one all with drugstore products and actually make it a soft glam makeup look like this one. I really like this look. I think it really shapes my face really well and it looks really pretty and it looks pretty natural. So I'm going to be showing you guys this look. Subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. So I'm just going to start out with my face makeup. I'm going to use my Revlon Pore Reducing Primer. This just really smooths out the face and makes your makeup go on really smooth. And then I'm going to use my favorite L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear. Got this all over my face. And for concealer, I'm using my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It's the lightest concealer color that I have, so I can easily highlight with it. I'm going to set my entire face with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Okay, so now this is the most important part of this whole routine because it makes it all blended from the eyes and the cheeks and the forehead and down on the jawline. It all connects with the bronzer and the contour. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in Sun Beige, and I'm going to use this big Morphe JH02 brush and just start bronzing up where I would contour to my temples and my forehead. I'm going to go in with a more cool toned contour. This is the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dulce de Leche, and I'm using the Morphe M523 brush, just a smaller brush so we can be more precise with this. And I'm just using this to add some extra contour to my cheeks. And then I'm gonna take a little bit and go at the top here. Just add this color in there as well. And down here. And then I'm going to go in with the Real Techniques shading brush and the bronzer that we used. And I'm going to start off with the whole nose contouring thing. So I'm going to go from where I think it would start, connecting it kind of to like where my eyebrow is and where it'll start shading in my eyeshadow as well. And I'm just going to go right there and contour my nose. And just connect it into my crease where my eyeshadow starts. So it's going to go from here down here all the way through into my nose contour and connect to my crease color. So it's all to my crease, so it's all going to be the same shading color, and I think that's why this look is so pretty, because it all just connects. So now I'm going to go on with the darker contour color and the same shading brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit just so that I can make this look a little bit more cool toned and neutral, and like it follows how my cheeks look. Yeah, I guess I will. And I'm going to add this more into like the socket of my eye. But not like as far out as the lighter bronzer was. And I'm going to go in just with this color and go on the outer corner and crease of my eye, like on this more outer area. And I didn't set my concealer right here, so that this will be really nice and pigmented out on this outer corner area. So once I have laid that color down, I'm gonna go in with the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, and it's just more fluffy so we can blend it out. And I'm just going to go from the very top of where the darkest brown is and blend that out. So now I just wiped off my shading brush, and I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc Free Correcting Powder, and I'm just going to swirl it around in there, get a lot, and I'm going to carve out where the shape, where like the contour starts on my nose right here. I'm going to kind of add this right below that, and it's going to make it look like all of that is pulled in to our contour. And then I'm going to also add that on my eyelid, so it's going to connect from all angles again. I'm also going to go in with this Morphe JH07 brush and that powder and just add this as a highlight on my face as well. So on my under eyes and just in the center of my face. Just to highlight those areas as well. And then I'm going to take my Morphe JH41 brush, it's just a flat eyeshadow brush, and take that same highlighting powder, and I'm going to go in with it and just carve out my lid. And it's going to look like it goes from my nose all the way up onto my lid and carves out where my lid is. Okay, so now I'm going to go through and just blend this all out. So we've like shaped out the face really well. Now I'm gonna add this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in Rose and Play. I use my Morphe JH04 brush. Just add some extra color to my face. I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm going to use my Morphe JH09 brush and the Makeup Revolution highlighting palette, and I'm going to use the white color, perfect for my pale skin tone. So bright and pretty. So I'm using my Essence eyebrow stylist set and my e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush, and I'm just gonna fill in my brows. I'm just gonna shape out my brows with this. And then I'm going to go in with my Essence Make Me Brow eyebrow gel in the shade Brownie Brows and just fill the rest of them in. Just fill it all in and set the brows down. Pull up my lashes and apply my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. I just got it and it is so good. Like, look at that difference. I'm going to do lips. I'm going to use the LA Girl Perfect Precision lip liner in the shade Bear. And this is just a really nice, this is just a really warm tone brown on me, like light brown. So I'm just going to line my lips and fill them in. And then I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade, where is the shade? Latte to Go. And it's like a light warm brown. I'm just going to add some of that in there. So this is the entire Soft Glam Drugstore makeup tutorial all finished. I really like the way that it turned out. It looks pretty natural and it really shaped my face really well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!